Previously on the AXC Challenge Anime Insanity. 2 castmates per team went on an epic ghost hunt. This hunt eventually turned into an ambush thanks to Staryu's master plan. As a result of his master plan, Team Toriko lost, but you'd think they'd vote on Ninjas, considering everyone wanted him out. Well, they didn't, which was a shock. Flareon left instead. Now the question is, did Staryu have something to do with this? Even if it's not obvious already? Find out today on the AXC Challenge Anime Insanity. He's gone. I just can't believe it was so sudden. He's gone. Oh, Caddy, come on, you'll get through this. Ace, you'll get through this. It's just, he left so sudden. I thought everyone was gonna vote out Ninjas. What the hell happened on your team, Trophies? I thought you had plans. We did, Caddy. It's just to save it. I don't want to hear it. I just want Flareon back. Oh man, I hate seeing her like this. I do too. I'm really sorry, guys. I really should get myself together and carry on, but he just left so unexpectedly. Everyone on that team was going to vote Ninjas out and keep him, but instead they vote him out. What the hell is going on? I really feel bad for Caddy. I just don't understand. I thought they were gonna vote on Ninjas, but then whoop-de-doo, they surprised them and vote out freaking Flareon, which is not cool. He was a bro. So whoever decided to vote him out, y'all crazy. Okay, so in order to replace Drifblim, I've decided to add Staryu to the alliance. You're kidding, right? This guy here? I thought you said your little mini alliance with him was temporary. It was, but now I can see that he and I need to stay in this game a lot longer. So with that said, I plan on making sure that all of us stay in the game longer, so that when the finale comes, we'll be able to take each other out one by one. Right, whatever. I don't like the idea of having the star in the alliance. He's not trustworthy. Shut up. You are not trustworthy either, Ninjask. I am trustworthy. I am trustworthy. I don't turn against people when need be. Maybe I tell them to do certain things and manipulate them, but I don't turn against them like you. Shut up. No one cares. Are you guys done talking? Good. Anyway. So, with that said, let's make this alliance the strongest alliance now and continue on in this game. No ands, ifs, or buts about it. Whatever. It's fun having an alliance again. It's fun having a 3-person alliance again. It means I have strength in numbers, and that's all I can ask for. Strength in numbers. And with that said, Tropius will be taken down soon enough.
I don't like the idea of having that star in the alliance. Look, I get it. I'm not as trustworthy, but it goes to show you that Staryu can't be trusted either. You can't tell of what side he's on. Plus he has his own vendetta on trying to get out Flareon, which he did already, and he's been trying his best to get with Delcatty. The dude's a nut job. I mean, at least I'm not pursuing anyone. I mean, yes, Beautifly's cute, but I'm not gonna go after her as crazily as Staryu would. And on another note, Staryu is considered a threat, and having another threat in the alliance that I plan on taking out eventually, not cool.
Oh, there you are. What'd you want me for?
Well, the sun's starting to come up, and I wanted to, show you around. I wanted to go to the beach. I know how you like sunrises.
Oh, yes I do. Well, come on. Oh, wow. This is nice. I like this.
I do too.
So, what you want to talk about?
Well, us.
Us?
Totodile. I know it's all sudden and stuff, but we've been friends since the very beginning, and I really have feelings for you that no one else should. Yes, everyone on this show thinks you're crazy, and yes, you are crazy, but I like that crazy side of you.
Oh, thank you. And I like your mysteriousness.
Thanks. It's one of the benefits of being EMS. Sometimes I think it's a curse.
Well, don't! Being mysterious can be fun sometimes. It'll be a mystery and an enigma to figure out who you are. Plus, I'm a sucker for a ghost.
Yeah.
Wow, this is a really nice sunrise. Thanks for bringing me here.
Not a problem.
Did you hear something?
No.
Oh, Yamask is so cute. I mean, I have feelings for him, but I don't know where it'll go. I've never dealt with love before. Well, except for a cheesecake. I heart cheesecake!
Well, you probably already guessed. I really like Totodile. Why? Well, we grew up together. And yes, I'm the one who was invisible the whole time, but I really do like her. And I hope we could be something more than just friends in the future. Good morning, Otaku! Okay, so before we begin, I just want you guys to know this is the last week of teams.
Yes, that means next week's a merge, yeah!
Yes, I just thought I'd let you know before so it wouldn't be a surprise. So, with that said, this is your last week of teams, so if I were you, I'd make it count. Okay, so, today's final team challenge won't be based off an anime, but rather a food from Japan. Ramen. Today is the ultimate ramen eating competition.
Really? Ramen?
You could do much better, Infinite.
I agree.
Why are we eating ramen of all things?
You could have picked something else. I have to agree with these losers.
Sorry, guys. And my Lodic. This is how the challenge is gonna go. You guys will be eating ramen in various rounds. And if you don't finish your ramen or refuse to eat it, you are out for your team. The team with players still out there standing will win the challenge, and will be spending their time spending the remaining time as a team in the penthouse, while the other team will have to suffer one final loss by voting out someone. So with that said, head outside and let's begin the ultimate ramen eating competition. Alright guys, the first one is beef ramen. Start eating.
No.
Good for you guys. But it's only getting worse from here. What is that supposed to mean? Don't worry, Electabuzz. You'll find out soon enough. Next! This ramen is fiber ramen. In other words, it'll make you go.
What does he mean by go? Oh, he means number 2 in the bathroom. Oh, that kind of go. Yup.
Okay, begin. I'm out. Peace out. Oh, well, Ninjask is out. The rest of you are still here. Alright, so we move on. Do you really think I'm going to eat that? Did you really think I was going to eat that? No. Okay? I have a body to protect. It's small and delicate. I don't have time for... and I don't need fiber in it. This next ramen is spicy ramen. So if I were you, I'd work it out.
Okay, no, I can't do this. I can't do this either. I just can't carry on with this challenge. I'm really sorry.
Oh, well, with that said, Tropius and Delcatty, you two are out. See you later. And we move on. 4 on 4.
Sorry, but, first off, grass type here. And I'm not going to waste my time with that spicy crap.
Okay. This next bowl of ramen is surprise ramen, meaning there's something inside. Careful, it can make you choke.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Alright. Oh, dang, Ace, I'm choking.
Oh, crap. Hold on.
Oh, dang it.
Thanks, Electabuzz. Never thought I'd say that. No problem. A water storm. It is mine. Yes. I am now Starmie. Ha
Oh, that was sudden. No kidding. Yay for Stormy! Oh wow, he evolved to an even bigger stupid star.
Shut up, you stupid fish. Alright, well, aside from that, Absol, you're out.
What?
You didn't finish your ramen at the same time as everyone else. So, you're out.
Oh man!
And we move on. Ha! Look at me now. Starmie is evolved and he will now dominate this game. Okay, so this next ramen is special. It's called Super Effective Ramen. It's new in the market. Basically, it has your weakness in it.
Uh-oh. Oh no!
That's not good.
Oh dear. Oh, this is not cool.
Great. Enjoy! Hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, no, I am not dealing with this.
Same here.
I can't. I'm already a small ghost as it is. I'm not trying to get myself killed.
Oh, alright, no.
Ha! Starmie is done. Peace out. You're on your own, though. You're on your own, Starmie.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. Alright, so it's 3 on 1. Starmie, you plan on giving up now? No. Starmie never gives up. Yeah, but he might end up losing to the girl that beat him. He might end up losing to the girl that beat him a couple episodes ago. Shut up! Okay. These next bowls of ramen are none other than hallucination ramen, or hallucinate ramen. Now, this will make you go insane, so keep that in mind. So, who wants to take a bite of this ramen? Oh, well, I take it she started hallucinating a little too much.
You gave a crazy girl something that made her even crazier. What was your first clue?
Point taken, camera. Well, she's out. Um, we're gonna go after her for a second and treat her with something to calm her down and stop her from hallucinating. We really weren't expecting that one.
Again, really?
Okay, so this next one is truth ramen. In other words, if you eat it, you have to tell the truth. So with that said, why don't we start eating it? Oh no, Stormy cannot eat this.
What's the matter, Stormy? Afraid? I'm ready to tell the truth. How about you, Camera? Oh, don't you worry, I'm ready.
Stormy isn't.
I voted for Flareon. I voted for Flareon last week. I voted for Flareon last week too.
I forced beautifying Camera and Scorpius to vote with ninjas to vote out Flareon. Well, that was stunning. With that secret out, I hope you win, Stormy, with that said. Okay, that was fun. You guys all move on to the final round, which is a tiebreaker.
What exactly is the tiebreaker? Yeah, I'd like to know that too.
Good question. Next scene.
I'm really scared about what the tiebreaker is, but aside from that, looks like Starmie's about to get his comeuppances for what he made me, Tropius, and Camera do. See, he forced us to vote out Flareon. We weren't hypnotized, because, first of all, our creator had enough of that in a certain series titled Pokemon Legends. And on another note, we were just forced. I feel bad for what I did, but Flareon, I really am sorry, and I hope you accept my apology, because I would never ever vote for you. Is this just a regular bowl of ramen?
Indeed it is, Camera. Just plain ramen, but it's a big bowl. And the first group to finish it will win, while the other one will have to suffer losing. So, get started.
Okay, beautiful eye. I've got the left, you've got the right, okay? Okay, let's do this!
Ha! You will not beat Stormy. He is a winner, not a loser.
Oh, we'll see about that. Let's do this! Come on!
No!
Yes! No! Yes! We did it, girl!
Yeah! No! Ooh! They sure did. Congratulations, ladies. You win for Team Toriko. Your team gets to go to the penthouse. For the last time as a team, of course.
Yay! Sweet! We really kicked ass out there. We sure did.
No! Stormy will not accept this. You have no choice. So, Team Ultimo will have to go to their last resort lobby ceremony as Team Ultimo. And it'll be a fail because you'll be ending off with 4 people. See you guys there! Congratulations, Team Toriko.
Yay! Sweet! Well, this may be our last meeting as a team, but I can guarantee you, when the merge comes, I'm taking all of you down. And my girls and I are gonna make it to the top. I'm spinning, I'm spinning, I'm spinning.
Oh, she's cute when she spins. What was that? Nothing.
Well, congrats to us. Oh my gosh, Saving Arceus is on!
Yay. Oh, I like this show.
Spinning! No, we're voting out you, Staryu. That's done. I agree. Staryu, you're getting eliminated. I mean, Starmie. Starmie, you're getting eliminated. I agree.
No. I am not going anywhere.
You are going somewhere because you have been messing with me this entire time. I know you had something to do with Flareon's elimination. Obviously. Yeah, now that everyone knows, Starmie, you're a target.
Issa, no. I don't. You need to go for what you did to Drifloon. You don't deserve to be here.
Whatever. Shut up, Absol. Accept the fact that she's gone.
No. I won't, because she left the wrong way. You're done.
No, Absol, come on. Join us in voting out Stormy. He deserves to go more than Milotic right now. Milotic can go during the merge. Exactly. Stormy has to go now. You can't expect to trust him.
I can't expect to trust you either.
Well, at least I didn't turn... Well, listen. Well, at least I'm not the one who forced another team to vote out someone.
That is a lie. Your whole alliance was in charge of making sure Nidoking was eliminated.
And your point is? You cooperated in helping me get out Sylveon on our team, so you shouldn't be the one to talk.
Whatever. You are responsible. What the hell's going on? I'm trying to get a nap, but all I hear are you guys yapping and yapping about all the crap. What the hell's going on? Well, Electabuzz, as you can see, we're stuck figuring out who we want to vote out. Excuse me.
Me and Delcatty want Starmie out, while Starmie and stupid Dog Boy over there want me out. We're kind of stuck because there's 4 of us.
No, there's 5 of us. I'm on the team too, you know. I'm the deciding factor. I'm the deciding factor!
Oh dear gosh, no. That's just great. So that means you're going to be voting. So that means you're going to be voting for one of us, isn't it?
Yes, I am.
Well, why don't you think about who's the better person, Electabuzz, meaning me, and vote out that star.
No, vote out her. I'm the better person. I won't say who, because that would spoil everything. So, I'll see you guys at the Last Resort Lobby ceremony, where one of your asses will be eliminated. Oh, this is just perfect! I'm the deciding factor for who goes home on my team, and it's between my 2 targets intended. This is genius! So it's either Milotic, that stupid-ass fish, or Staryu, that stupid-ass star. One of them's going home, and I can't wait for you guys to see who I vote out. This is gonna be fun. It's the Last Resort Lobby ceremony, starring Team Ultimo. Hello, Team Ultimo. Welcome to your last Resort Lobby welcome to your last Resort Lobby ceremony. Sheesh, tongue twister much? Anyway, so, as you can see, there are 5 of you, and you're going down to 4. And, yeah, let's figure out who's getting these chestpin dolls. So, the dolls go to Delcatty, Electabuzz, and Absol, if it wasn't already obvious. Okay, so Starmie and Milotic, come on down here, will you please? Okay, so Starmie, let's just review what you've been doing. Basically, you apparently we learned that you were in charge of getting Flareon eliminated by forcing Tropius, Beautifly, and Camerupt to do so. And as a result, Flareon's gone and Delcatty's a mess. Meanwhile, Milotic, you were in charge of blackmailing Drifblim, creating an alliance to take out Nidoking and Sylveon, and if that's not enough, you made Drifblim quit. So on that note, both of you are huge targets, and we're about to find out which one of you is done for. So let me reveal the votes. First vote goes to Starmie. Second vote goes to Milotic. Third vote, Starmie. Fourth, idiot. Fourth vote, we don't have a fifth yet, Milotic. And the last vote goes to none other than Milotic! Milotic, you've been kicked out! What? Congratulations, Starmie. You're safe. Oh, well, as you can see, I should have put the doll on the other side. You guys know she's safe. I mean, you guys know Starmie's safe.
Are you kidding me? This is crap. I can't believe you did this.
Sorry, Starmie knew he was going to be safe. Sorry, my Lodic, but I guess it's over.
Are you kidding me? You actually voted me out, you loser?
It was gonna happen eventually.
I cannot believe this. Ha! You've been eliminated! Ain't that, you fool? Why don't you suck it? You know what? You know what happened? Nidoking was not in on the plan. As a matter of fact, I kissed him. He didn't kiss me. He still loves you. And with that said, he's eliminated, and you're still here. I kind of had a feeling, my Lodic. Wait, you knew? I figured, but beautiful, I helped me figure it out a week ago. I knew. I was just waiting for you to get eliminated. And thank Arceus Almighty, you are out at last! Finally! I can't believe this. And you're not mad at me? Oh, I'm mad at you. But I could care less. You're eliminated. I'm not. Yay! Whatever. Screw you. Screw all of you. You're gonna pay for this. I can't believe you do this to me. You know, my Lodic, I'm actually glad Electabuzz chose you. Because at least Starmie isn't saying F you, screw you, you all suck. Even though he might anyway. But I'm happy because you really are one of the cockiest people I have ever met. So, yeah, it's really time for you to go. Sorry, girl, but you're done.
See you later, loser.
Whatever, screw all of you. This isn't the last of me. Oh, I can just hug you all. I'm so happy. My Lodic is gone. My Lodic is gone. La 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 la. Wow, I've never seen you this happy, Tropius. Oh, I'm so happy. My Lodic's gone. Oh, it's a good day. It's been a good day. You know what? Whatever. Screw all of you. I don't need this stupid game. I don't need Tropius. I don't need anyone. Whatever. With me gone, this game just got a whole lot uglier with my pretty face leaving. Bye.
And yeah. Wow. That's all I'm trying to put sentences in, but wow. Look like Miss Beautiful Milotic has been sent out of this resort for good. Now that she's gone, what's Electabuzz's next move? What's Starmie's next move? And what's happening next week? I'll tell you what's happening next week. The Merge! What else is happening next week? Find out next week on the Andy X Challenge Anime Insanity! I'm Infinite, and I'm Hexaurus. See you guys next week, and this is the last episode we're in our human forms. You know, unless we decide to do something else. Till then, see you guys soon!